Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be letting my mum choose where I land in Fortnite. She's going to throw a plane and that's where I have to land. Okay, go. Okay, I think it landed near here, so I think I'm going Fort Crumpet now. Okay, so that's where I'm going to be going. There. Okay, so we're going Fort Crumpet and I'm going to say we're only allowed the loot from Fort Crumpet. So we're only allowed loot from Fort Crumpet. Okay. So I'm allowed meds and mats and ammo from other people that I eliminate, but I'm only allowed guns from Fort Crumpet. And I'm only allowed, like, if I get nades, I can't pick them up from, like, another player. Okay, let's go. Hopefully I get some good loot, because last time I was playing an arena solo game, and I went shark, and I got a purple auger on my first chest. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we get some good loot. Okay, I'm gonna go through the middle bit. See if there's anybody going here. No, I don't think anybody's even going sweaty. Oh yeah, there are kids going sweaty. Okay. Yeah, I might go coral after this, so I can get some mats. Hey, no one's come to contest me, that's good, because we just want to loot for a bit. Oh, okay, I'll go over here. A green burst starting off. Green pistol, don't really need it. I can come back for stuff that I don't want to pick up. So let's say, oh, that's good, that's very good. Okay, let's go. Okay, shotgun, yes, go charge. No, green burst again. Smats. Hey, I don't really know how to loot this, so I'm going to try my best. I have been here like quite a lot of times, but I don't really, and I mean not really, know how to loot it. I just go from bottom to top. I'll add that. Where's this chest? Oh, it's down here. Oh, this is the one with the legs and arms. Hello, buddy. Okay, I got shield. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, now let's go and loot upstairs because I know there's some chests around here. So there's one over here. I'm hoping that I get attack. Okay, please give me attack or something that's better than this. I don't mind charges, it's just that I'm better with attack. I know that there's a chest around here. There's one around the back. Oh, that's pretty decent. And I'm not joking, that's pretty good. I'll take the flare because the flares are actually pretty decent in this. Because they tell you where people are at. Okay, I'm hoping to like find like maybe... Oh sorry, I didn't mean to shoot that. Okay, I'm hoping to try and find attack, but I think I've looted it all. So let's just go coal. Oh wait, is this a chest? No, it's not. Yeah, let's go coral now. I think I've looted everything here. So this is my loot. A blue AR, a green charge, a purple P90, a flare. I'm going to pop the minis quickly. Yeah, supposed to. Actually, I'm going to go over there because there's always like a henchman chest, and henchman chest gives you quite a lot of like meds and heals. And there's like about 3 chests over. Okay, let's go. There's only 47 people left. So these are the guns I'm only allowed to use. But I'm allowed to use any other meds. I'm hoping I find something like some chug splashes over here. Or something. Okay. A blue SM, some minis, a big pot. Okay. I'll take the big pot for the flare. Because I want to be stacked on meds. Because, yeah, I have to be stacked on meds because it's gonna just be wrong and it's just gonna see that the storm's coming in now. So if I'm not stacked on meds, it's just not gonna be good. Okay, yeah. Oh, this is good. Ammo box, that gives me more ammo. Okay, I think I'm done here. Let's just get to zone. Oh, I wish I came here. I'd have got attacked. Oh, dang it. Okay, let's get to zone. I think, yeah, let's go like in between Holly and Weeping. Actually, I'll pop the big. I'll keep a space now for any like other meds. I forgot to pop the big. Dang. Okay, slug drop over here. Don't need it. Don't want to go over there. Don't really have time. Zone's coming in. Why is it 13? Went under it. Oh, some ammo in here. Oh, oopsie, not allowed to pick that one up. Auto pick up one. Okay. Yeah, let's try and get some mats so I don't have to go matless in a battle. Where's zone? Yeah, let's try and get to Weeping. And I'm hoping that the zone isn't all the way at Misty or Lazy. Okay, there's Holly over there. There might be some kids at Holly. I really doubt it. So they probably would have already rotated to zone. I'll go for the chest. I'm not going for. Oh, there was a green tack here as well. Dang. Okay. So actually, I'm going to take the crash pads for mobility. Okay, let's crash pad to Weeping. There were kids over here. Yeah, not marauders, kids. Wait, we could go for some fish. We could go and start fishing to get some bits and bobs. Okay, let's see. Yes. Oh, someone must have came here already. But I don't get why they wouldn't pick up the fish or the fishing hole. Please say there's still the fishing holes here. Oh, yeah, there is. If I get a half bean out of it. Oh, no, not, but I'll still go and catch them quickly. One bite. Blue SM. Not allowed to use that. Take the flops. Let's go. Run, run, run. Don't let the storm catch you. No. Shoot, is right behind me. No, yes, this way. So I didn't lose a single bit of health. I thought I'd been lazy. Okay, yeah, I'm taking the flops. I don't really want the flare gun for a bit. Oh great, now I have to go all the way to lazy. Okay. I'm chilling on mats though. I've got pretty decent mats. I got like 500 brick, 300 wood, and 100 metal. I could do well. Okay, let's take the zip line to Weeping and then go past the waterfall and then up here. Let's go around here. Inwards. Okay. I'm this slappy now. There's usually one thing in here, like a spawn loot, and floor loot. Don't know, no, there's only wood. Okay, let's go down here. We could take the whirlpool. We could take the whirlpool past Misty and that would be a good idea. Yeah, I'm just gonna get one of these rocks and then go and chill in brick. Okay. Couldn't jump that. Okay, let's go. Let's go over to the whirlpool and take it. So like around about here. We could go and get the helicopter, but it's probably been taken already. I haven't seen anybody this game. This is weird. Well, I've seen people glide in, but like not actually anybody since I've landed. It's because I haven't been near any busy places. There's only like 2 kids that landed sweaty, and then they've probably already rotated, or one of them died and then they've rotated. Yeah, that thing's been patched. The zipline glitch has been patched. So it's this glitch. Oh, here's Jules' drum gun. I'm not even allowed to use it, so why do I want it? I'm holding my P90 because I don't want to go the charge shotgun in this. Dun, dun. I had to spray for that one. Gee, she got me so low. Please don't anybody push me. Not even that shark. Don't push me, shark. I'm gonna pop off the minis. Yeah, I'll pop off flopper. And I'll pop the chug splashes. Then I'll take back the flopper. And I need band-aids. I could have just popped the band-aids to make it up there. But I couldn't. There's more band-aids up there, great. Big pot, big pot, big pot. Oh, chug splashes, pretty decent. Okay, at least I'm 100 now. Back at 100. Decoys. Actually, no, I can't use decoys, can I? Because they'd shoot. Well, there's a kid over there. I know that now. I hate marauders, they're so annoying. No. They're so annoying, leave me alone. Oh my god, he just popped my shield. I want my shield. It's nice, my shield. I don't want to lose it all. Who are they fighting? Oh, this kid over here. Oh, see crap. Wait, what was that? Just a firefly. I think it was just a firefly. Oh, beamed it. Tagged him a bit. Nice, nice. Okay, let's go. I'm not allowed to use stinks. Please say he had some, like, a big pot or something. He had decent ammo, I think. He had good mats. That's good. I really want to pick up the charge or attack. I can't. I'll take those minis though. Okay, now let's go back for the Marauders. Even though I can't use it, they might have some shield or something. Okay, 2 kills, 6 people left. Everything's reloaded. Okay, let's go. What did the... I can come over here. Did they get rest or something? I don't know. Oh, I'm really good maths now. Okay, where... Oh, I could get some more flops. Flopsies. Okay, let's get some flopsies. 4 people left. We'll slurp. I'll do that. Flopper. Another flop. Then I know that there's another fishing pole. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. It's over here. Wait, what? There was one like... Oh, there it is. What? Don't give me a gold scar now. Okay, it was a flop. It's not a gold scar at least. The last time I got a gold scar on a slurpfish. Jeez, I'm so upset now I can't use that purple tack. At least I have max flops. Nearly max minis though. Okay. I'm chilling on mats. Oh, there's a kid. Why am I seeing just fireflies everywhere? Yeah, is that firefly kid? Wait, people haven't even taken a chop. Well, I'm taking the chopper to zone. Let's go, chopper. Boing. Let's go. Okay, let's see if we can see anybody. I can't see anybody at the moment, but we can see. There's probably gonna be people at lazy fighting. What? I can't see anybody. Can't hear any gunshots. Where are people? Like nobody's even looted lazy. There's no one over here unless they're rotating into zone. So there's 3 kids alive. There's me, and then there's 3 other kids. They're not down there, I know that for a fact. They're not down here in the water. They're not over there. They all must be chilling in lazy then. They have to be chilling in lazy then. Because I can't see anybody. Anybody here? Hello? Are they scared of the chopper or something? Or they have to rotate to zone even if they're in lazy. Well, these kids don't if they're... Oh my god. Look at all that loot. I can't pick any of it up. Oh, found a kid. Okay, found one. Found a biter. Oh shoot, he's got a good aim. Oh my god, he's already building. No, I don't want a builder. Don't want a builder. No, no, no. No, I'm terrible at this game. Here's Drummy. No, 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 no. Here's Drummy. I'm cranking 90s. Chopper. I can't use that anymore, can I? Okay. He was a bot. Okay, the thing is that I really need some, like, a med kit or a big pot because I know that this scrappler kid that was just fighting is around here somewhere, but I have no clue where. he had to go and rotate. I think I know where he went now. He went to the water sort of place. I know that there's nobody left in Lazy. The only place there could be people. Yeah, nobody left in Lazy. That means there could only be people in like the water place or the waterfall. Could be hiding in the waterfall. You never know. But I really doubt it. Hey, we have to find these kids quick because they're just camping at the moment. Unless one of them's got a giant. Oh shoot! No! He was camping right next to the toilet. Unlucky guys. See you next time. Bye!